Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Tim here, Gamma VD, back in the garage. Quick one today, but a fun one. Long time coming on this one. Want to launch our brand new press tool for the 80 series cap and gear swap. The product you probably know us the best for, almost our longest running product here. So yeah, excited to get into this one. By request, let's jump into it.
Passenger days.
So to start, I'll just show you the parts. Two pieces here. These are both CNC machined stainless steel. They're just gorgeous. What makes this cool is these are machined by another local club member, another TLCA member. So really cool to help kind of grow that community a little bit with these products. You know, we even did a little laser etching at Gamma VD on the bottom there, just for some style points. Really cool. So you have the main press tool body. This is what we'll use to remove the broken gear from that shaft, and then we have an alignment pin that's going to slide in there. It's about a 2/1000 interference, so it just kind of helps that slide up and down really nicely. And what this hopes to solve is, over the years, few people have struggled with this install. Some folks don't have the bench vise or a set of sockets in the bench, and it was difficult to line up everything just perfectly square, and a few people struggled and had some splitting issues on the gears. Now, we've made good with those folks as they've come across, but you know, we can do better. And so this tool is designed to allow you to really press these things apart with just about anything heavy. You know, any hammer you have is gonna work probably really well. And then really just use that same tool to put the new gear back on that little knurled shaft. So take a lot of the guesswork, a lot of the little funky, do it just this way. Try to take that out of it and just make this as simple and as straightforward as we can. Tools we need for the repair: vice grip and 12mm socket. That's going to be for unbolting those two big lead screws. You got the 5mm Allen wrench for separating those Allen bolts to get the housing out, and then a Phillips screwdriver, taking off that front panel of the seat, as well as removing the back kind of carrier, the little plastic thing of those lead screws. Then to take that seat out, you know, we need the 14mm socket, maybe a 14mm ratchet wrench. Makes quick work of that. This is what that looks like with the new gear in there, kind of ready to go. And that's about all we can do. We're waiting for a customer to roll up. We're gonna see, never seen this truck before, haven't met the guy before, but he's local. Said, hey, can you fix my seat? Yes, I can. So hopefully everything's gonna go well. Can't wait. So next scene you'll see will be him pulling in. Okay, so the truck's here. Got the seat out. Next move is pull out those old gears. Okay, so I've got my gear assembly And you can see where it's been worn, kind of right in there. Missing some teeth. Got my press tool body. Just put that in there. Set it on a workbench, kind of clear yourself a little space here. You could also do this on the floor of the garage if you didn't have a sturdy thing, and then just grab your hammer and hopefully that just pops out. And there we go, that's separated and that's stuck in there, but just comes right out of there. So there we go, step one. That's how you do it. Our next move then, we're gonna take that knurled shaft, I'm gonna slide it over this guide pin, came with your press tool, and then screw those together with the little stainless screw and washer. It's gonna look like that. And that is just to keep this square in there. And that washer provides a surface that this is gonna be pressed from. We'll take our gear. Remember, inspect both sides of the gear. One side is gonna have a little chamfer to it. And the other side is gonna have those 3 ejector pin marks. There's pictures that are more close-ups on the site. So you want the ejector pin marks to be essentially away from the knurls, or the chamfer towards the knurls, and that gives it that little bit of a leading edge to press in. And then here's the fun part, is this little assembly slides right inside of the body. The gear goes in. This is now completely on center, so that there's no way I can press this on crooked. So I just go down, and then I'm just gonna gently tap this with my hammer. And we're done. And that's kind of it. You know, I kept it short. We've already seen the install. It's been so well documented, but happy 80, driving away, seat works again. Hopefully that was useful to you. And yeah, check out the new press tool. Here it is, and excited for this one. So thanks for watching this one. Tell me what else you want to see on these videos and in products. Love to have that feedback. And as always,